What's up, guys? And welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate GH TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so today's gossip we have Kensi 2020. Yes, that is Kennedy Osei. That is the son of Dr. Osei Kwame Despite and his wife. They had a lavish wedding in 2020, and in November 2020, rumor had it that they delivered or they gave birth to twins. And guys, when bloggers leaked that particular information, they came to deny reports that no, they have not yet given birth and all that. Yeah, but sources close to us revealed that yes, they really gave birth in November 2020, and they gave birth at a rich hospital. But then looking at how sensitive the information was, because they gave birth to twins, and that's Kennedy Osei's wife, gave birth to the twins, which was premature. Okay, so they had to put the kids, so let me say the girls, in an incubator, of which this is quite sensitive. Therefore, they had no option to deny reports that they really gave birth or they really delivered in November last year. Yeah, so today it happens to be the birthday of the grandfather of the kids, okay, or let me say the father of Kennedy Osei, that's Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Then they decided to actually surprise their father by and also surprise the public by displaying the kids, or let me say flaunting the kids. Yeah, so guys, the video was leaked by Father Dixon, who happens to be the godfather of Kennedy Osei. Guys, watch the video and don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Amen, 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 amen. Amen. Wow.
Grandpa.
Wow. Great. Israeli Adam. Amen. Great. Amen.
Grandpa, please.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Eddie Kai, I'm saying,
Amen. Wow.
Grandpa.
Wow. Great. Israeli Adam. Amen. Great. Amen.
Grandpa, please.